Naidok Week pala annual celebration. History ko po, Moron Motorway ko po, achievements ko po, Aboriginally, Torres Strait Islander, Mainke. Ngay, nginuko, kabingejo pala, pumalngejele, pagarekang ko. On January 26, 1938, white Australia marked 150 years of British colonisation. Pagarekan, kinimal tangalang bala nulaway ngara ko yeradoko. Church groups pala yama-yamal belang Aborigines Day. Nana buwane ngenge Aborigines Week. Nate kaleabor ngena buene ngenge National Movement. Ngena bala Naidok Week. Yando July Naidok celebrations bangal ngara ko oldest continuing Moron Motorway. Ngana local pali terangal Indigenous rights po.